Hi there, my name is Riley McMullen from Snowblock Snowjacks, and today we're going to be starting a series called Snowblock's Buyer's Guide. This is going to be taking a deep dive into a project our team has been doing for the past year, running through the panel manufacturers in our industry and explaining which of our products are going to be compatible and not compatible. The first one we have here is going to be AEP Span. They have 6 different standing seam panels that they manufacture. First one on the left here is going to be the curve span, which will not be compatible with any of our glue down polycarbonate guards. They need a completely flat surface to adhere properly to the panel. The clamp on Snowbar clamp and RC and RCT will be compatible, so that allows you to do a bar system or any type of snow cleat system. The Design Span HP, Span Lock HP, and Span Seam are going to be okay with any of the products listed on this chart. However, one thing to keep in mind with any standing seam out there, you do not want to penetrate the seam. So there are no options for screwing down into the panel on this chart. Only a glue down or a clamp on system. So the Design Span HP, Span Lock HP, and Span Seam from AEP Span, you're going to be good to go with any of these. The Select Seam Narrow Batten and the Select Seam Wide Batten are only going to be compatible with the glue down applications that we offer. You are not going to be able to clamp onto a Select Seam Narrow or Wide Batten due to the strip itself not being able to achieve proper torque settings, which then would cause the bar system to disengage. Another thing you want to do in this process is check your ground snow load. This number is a number to determine the average amount of snow that you get per year. If it is above 45 pounds per square foot, you do not want to put a pad-style guard system up. You are getting a significant amount of snow, and that means that you need a significant snow retention system. Another thing we offer here at Snowjacks is free layouts for bar systems. That is available on our website here under resources and Snowbar price quote. These will come with a free lifetime warranty for parts, performance, and if you get a powder coated system, it will be the finish as well for a lifetime. We do color matching on the Snow Cleat RC and RCT, as well as our color bar and Snowbar. In this process, if you find that you're going to do an adhesive mounting snow guard, you want to make sure that you're doing it at the right time of year. They need 28 days of 50 degrees more to reach proper cure. This is the best time of year to do it. If they drop below that 50 degrees, it's not going to hurt the guard. It is only going to not count as cure time. At this point in time, we're in about late March. If you're still getting snow, you should be looking more at a bar system. So now is the best time of year. If you fit all the other requirements, you should be installing a glue down snow system. If you have any questions about anything on this blog or anything discussed today, please give us a call, 1-800-766-5291, or you can visit our website at www.snowjacks.com.